we got the wiring harness connected. Now we're gonna insert it into the bolt. Line it up with our mounting plate. These tiny little bolts will mount it to the plate. All right, we got the first mounting screw in the right-hand side. There's one more mounting screw on the left, the top. And then a mounting screw right down here at the bottom. This one can be a little tricky because it's long, sometimes hard to get lined up. Okay. All right, we're gonna put 4 fresh batteries in, 4 AA batteries. Now our lock is ready to test. Come on over here. We're gonna hit the lock button. And there we go. All right, now we're gonna put our knob in. So here's the latch. Again, we got lucky, we got pre-drilled holes because this was an existing door. Now time to insert our handle. So this is on the outside. This is on the inside. We'll line up our screws and we'll screw it in and then we'll test it. All right, we got our last screw going in. Thanks again for watching our video on how to install a smart lock so people can have their own door code and get into our garage from our pool and into our bathroom. Remember to like and smash that subscribe button.